Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be talking about Calo Indoor. This video is not a financial advice, it is just for entertainment and educational purpose only, so please do your own research. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so this is the website of Calo Indoor. You can access it by going to indoor.fun. Currently, they do have a giveaway going on, so quite exciting stuff. So they do have 10 NFT shoe boxes, 50 slots, whitelist, and 50,000 Calo token. It's gonna run from the mentioned dates over here. So quite exciting stuff. If you want, you can download this app on Play Store or you can get it on Google Play as well. So this is built on the AR gameplay system base with an NFT sneaker and its function. So if you want, you can join them and participate in it, and that's really, and it's kind of cool because over here you get an option to customize your shoes, and also you can place it in shoebox and play around with that. So the story goes like this, that there were a group of 3 friends who were stuck in strange world which was created by a monster. The idea was to help each other and find a way back to the real world that belongs to them. And ever since, they have also realized the implications that health has on their journey. So we have reflex game, and over here Lori would get lost in strange world and she is stuck in a very weird loop, and the only way that she can disable this loop is to find her hands to the clock so that she can rotate it anti-clockwise before midnight. So over here, the player that would play the role of Lori has to find them by reaching the items that would appear on the screen in the order in which they have been specified during a certain time frame. Next, we have fit the shape. On the other hand, there is a player also known as Lane who is also transported into the same world as Lori, and she also has a different challenge. Over here, Lane plays her role in a script that is belonging to a monster that has created this world. Lane also has to treat Lori as a stranger, and she has to lead her into this room of clocks. And in this process, Lane also has to stay out of the sight of Lori or that loop will be activated. We have jumping battle. So over here, there is a player known as Calo. She has the same role as Lane, but she gets lost in this maze. However, it discovers that this is, the database of monster, which contains various scenarios, and Calo's challenge is basically to find the right one and rewrite it. Also, Calo has to pay a very hefty price just for opening a wrong script by being hunted by the monster's entourage. So that's a little bit about this game and what you can expect from it. Over here, the players has to equip themselves with an appropriate NFT sneaker, which is important in this gameplay to get out of that situation. So we have Slipper, also known as Equip Sleeper, which will use your hands to touch the points around you in the order. Next we have Clever, and over here it's gonna jump 2 squares at the same time simultaneously. Next we have Pumper, which is gonna move your whole body so that it can fit in the shape in that particular time. And we have another one coming soon. A bit about the tokenomics of the company. So Calo token and IFIT token are both blockchain based currency, and they will belong to this ecosystem. Here's the roadmap of the company. In the April, the wallet in-app on-chain was taken place, marketplace in-app took place, and the sneaker system was launched. In May, there was single mode beta, shoebox minting took place, Calo Run beta phase 2 launch took place. In June, there was NFT collaboration and invitations to earn. In July, the Stone and system took place. There was credit system. In August, earning gacha would be the focus, and lifetime and mana would also be the focus. In September, which is right now, they will be listing IFIT token, and Calo Indoor beta phase 1 shall be released. In October, the challenge mode would take place, global marketplace as well. There will be staking to refill the stamina. In November, there will be skin and tournament. In December, the brand would expand, and they would also work on their mission statement. Over here, you can see that the team working behind this project do have vast variety of experience in finance, in blockchain, in gaming studios. We have CEO, who's the founder. He's also known as Mr. Tuan Fan. We have the CEO of the company, Mr. Trai Nguyen. We have CEO of the company, who is Miss Lin Tran, and so on. Over here you can see the token allocation and tokenomics. So over here you can see 10% of the token will be kept for the core team, 14% will be for private sale investment purposes, same goes for 2% investment purpose, but this will be for public sale, 11% will be kept for community, 5% for liquidity, 10% for development, and 48% for health mining. The thing with IFIT token is that it's going to be unlimited, and it can be achieved through physical moving, whether it's in single mode, challenge mode, or tournament mode. And you can earn this token by shoe minting, repairing, leveling up your sneakers, stone upgrade, unlocking space as well. Whereas when we talk about Calo token, it will be minted at the token generation event, and they do have a limited supply. 48% will be delivered to the users out there through their burn to earn participation, so that's really cool. Here is the Twitter page of Calo Indoor. They do have 16.2k followers, and over here they make regular updates about new stuff they are working on, so definitely worth checking out. I'm really excited about this project. I really like the idea of using sneakers in an actual game, so it's worth checking out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe. I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye now.